our population is increasing day by day. We don't obey the traffic rules. What is the solution? The solution is when our road is under the construction, that time we need lots of time.
Assalamualaikum everyone. Today we are here at Mirpur 10 and look at the crowded place here. Today our students will talk about the traffic jam, the reasons of traffic jam, and how should we remove this? How can we remove the problem of traffic jam here in Dhaka city especially? So we'll talk about the traffic jam. So let's see, our students will take the challenge in public place. Watch us till the end. See you soon.
Assalamualaikum everyone. This is me Shakil Chowkidar in front of you. Today I am came at Mirpur 10. Today I would like to talk about traffic jam. What is traffic jam? Traffic jam is the most common problem in our Bangladesh. Traffic jam is a blockade of cars. Cities people every day we have to face this unbearable problem. And what the causes of traffic jam? Look, our road is so much narrow and our car is not so good enough. Our road is not good enough, and the main causes is traffic jam is the density of population. Our population is increasing day by day. It is a common problem in our country, and we don't obey the traffic rules. That's why we have to face the traffic jam every day. And look, besides the pavement was equipped by people. They are open the showroom. They are open store to equip our pavement. It's a common problem, and the unfit cars and unfit vehicles are the create this problem. What is the solution? The solution is we have to obey the traffic rules. Government have to make new rules for traffic controls, and we have to follow these rules. And our government should spacious our roads, because our roads is too much narrow, and we have to focus this matter. And when our road is under construction, that time we need lots of time for finishing this work. So government should take steps on this matter. We have to cut the time as soon as possible, and we have to make new bridges. We have to make new roads and foot-over bridges also. After that, our this problem will be solved. So I hope our traffic problems will be solved one day, inshallah. Thank you so much. Thank you everyone. Assalamualaikum.